Let's see how to report savings when awarding a supplier in the Source-to-Pay Workspace. Go to Workspaces tab and select Source-to-Pay Workspace. In the Source-to-Pay Workspace, select the list icon. Under the My Work drop-down, select Sourcing Events. Select the sourcing event that has a requires decision state. Select Award. In the Supplier field, select a supplier, and select Next. Enter the final spend and hard savings data. Fill out the fields for cost avoidance, other savings, and lost savings. Select Submit to finalize the financial review for awarding a supplier. The awarded sourcing request moves to Closed Complete, automatically creating purchase requisitions and updating spend and savings in the associated pipeline project.